Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. In today's video I will show you some of the plants which loves the shade. To start up, I show you this palm plant. Look at this beautiful palm plant which is in a huge planter. Under that there are some spider plants growing. So this is one of the plants that loves the shade. Partial to medium sunlight, indirect sunlight. So once you bring this plant from a nursery, make sure you put it in ample planter and also keep it in the shade. This is one of the plants that loves the shade. You can keep it as a house plant too. So this beautiful green plant loves the shade and it will add green to your garden. Next plants are the Dracaena plants. Dracaena plants, there are many varieties. These beautiful house plants also prefers the shade. So once you bring it from a nursery, see that you keep it in a shady corner in your garden. This is ideal as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. There are many varieties of Dracaena as well. This is another variety of Dracaena. So this is in my outdoor garden. Well draining soil, and also you'll have to keep the moisture balance, and these plants will have to be watered now and then because to balance the moisture level, and also they loves the humidity. These are bamboo plants. They also belongs to the family of Dracaena, and this is also a shade loving plants. So green and beautiful and elegant house plant. They grow from stems. Look at this beautiful plant. They grow in the shade and keep it in a shady corner in your garden as a house plant, as an outdoor plant, or else you can simply keep them indoors. This is another variety of Dracaena. This is a small stem I put and now it's healthily growing. The tea plant. This is also considered as a lucky plant. So one of the plants that prefers the shade. This is a Aralia plant. A variety of Aralia grow from stems, also prefers the shade. This is also a green plant which is very lush and also gives a very elegant look to your garden. This is another variety of Aralia. Its leaves are so small but very beautiful with the variegated leaves. These are Chinese evergreen plants which also prefers the shade, and there are many varieties of them. This Aglaonema, one of the varieties of Chinese evergreen. You can grow them simply in the shade. You can divide and multiply. These are beautiful indoor plants too. Varieties of philodendron. They also prefers the shade, and there are many varieties. Now here I have this green one. Very beautiful, easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. With or without fertilizer you can grow them. Another variety of philodendron. They grow from the aerial roots, so once you get a small stem, you can grow them very easily. This is another variety of philodendron. You can grow them from stems. Pothos plants are beautiful indoor plants and also decorative plants. There are many varieties of them. You also can grow them as indoor plants. These are shade-loving plants. Perennial plant, another plant which prefers the shade. Syngonium plants, these are also shade-loving plants. So green and elegant, you can grow them very easily with or without fertilizer. Another plant that grows well in the shade is the Sansevieria. Sansevieria plants also grows well in the shade, and this is a partial to medium sunlight loving plant. You can simply keep them as indoor plants because they are air purifier plants, and you can also propagate these plants with a single leaf cutting. Very easy to do it. When the plants matures, you see baby plants appearing from the mother plant so that you can divide them and multiply. This is the right way to do the propagation. This is another shade loving plant which prefers the shade, and also you don't need to water them on regular basis. This is the Sisi plant, a wonderful plant to have in your home garden. This is the umbrella plant, another plant which prefers the shade.